Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So, hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive in shopify.com. So this is the home page as you can see, and you have your various information. But before, let's know what is Shopify. Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is still for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So right now all you have to do is just click over apply now, and you'll find this page as you can see. So let's wait for a minute, and we have here apply to become a Shopify affiliate. So you have earned commission by referring you our established merchants to build their business on a Shopify store. So we click over sign up, and here we have contract terms of for Shopify. You choose your country here, as you can see here, Arabic or other ranks. The physical down we have here contact terms for Shopify. So you can just read this information, then you click over accept. So that you will find here sign up and start earning. To get started, please sign up and create an account. Here you choose also here the language, sorry. Then you click over sign up with email. You can use also Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, and you click over it and you start with it. So then you will find this page here. You can just sign up with your email. You write your first name, last name, username, email address, password. You can also here choose your country and you write your phone number. Once you do that, you will find this page. How would you categorize your business? Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. You have your social influencer, content and reviews, loyalty and rewards, deal and coupons, email and newsletter, search and comparison. Then we have network here, technology solution, cross audience monetization. So then you click over continue and you will find this page. Add social. You can add more than one account from each type of social platforms. For example, we have Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, Weibo. Then once you click over this, the one you want, you will find this page. Tell us about yourself. I am individuals, so we choose individuals. Your account display name, country, region, email address, your first street address, your second street address, your city, your zip code. Then we have time zone here and your currency also. And if you choose your company, you have your account display name, also company website here, LinkedIn company page, country and region. You have the first street address, the second street address, city, then you have your zip code, time zone and currency, and you click over submit. So become a Shopify affiliate. You have your own commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have two ways to refer and earn. The first one, Shopify plan. Referrals get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have your Shopify Pro referrals, earn up to $115 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then if we scroll down, we have your thousands of affiliates from across the globe. Then we are committed to your success. And if we scroll down, we have your frequently asked question. For example, here we have our Shopify affiliate program, and we have our requirements to need to meet to apply. So the Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach the audience about entrepreneurship. With Shopify, the program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must first of all own and run an active website, then have an established audience, and then create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Then the last one is have read and agreed to the Shopify partner program agreement. Also, we have here how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in my any country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? What information can I track about the merchants refer? Which are Shopify's brand guidelines? Then we have here if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and types for each. For example, we have the first one, YouTube. For example, this person just explain how you can get started with Shopify. Then he will say that you will use this link to go to Shopify. If after clicking off this link, you will get a commission. So this is how it works. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust. By producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to a higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendation from video creators they follow. Then we have TikTok also. So about TikTok, thrives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick products demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience using your bio link to direct followers to affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags. The platform's viral nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have Instagram. So about Instagram, yeah, it's perfect for visual showcasing products, making it key platform for affiliate marketing. By using shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories are another effective tool. Share quick recommendations and utilize the link sticker for seamless access to affiliate links. So this is how it works, guys. And each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links. So experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.